Polygon, MATIC, is a coin that is correct now traded at $0.647997 per unit, with a market capitalization of $5,152,136,370 that makes it a mid-situated computerized money. High-level assets like Polygon have recently transformed into the place of combination of thought for retail monetary benefactors and scholars, yet moreover for immense institutional monetary sponsor, who see Polygon and the rest of cryptographic types of cash as a convincing wall against development that adversely influences the overall economy. On May 20, the expense of Polygon stayed at $0.658799 by the day's end today trading meeting, which contains a 1.12% differentiation when stood out from the continuous worth. A week earlier, on May 14, the Polygon market stayed at $0.667663 as the delayed consequence of the undertakings of all market individuals. As the result, the expense moved by 0% as indicated by its ongoing standing. A month earlier, on April 21, Polygon was esteemed at $1.42, which related with our expense assumption for that particular period. Stood out from the ongoing spot of Polygon, it addresses a 54.29% expense move. Polygon and DeFi.org have pronounced the underpinning of a gas pedal program for blockchain creators. Support in the DeFi.org gas pedal round will achieve a combination of benefits. The benefits consolidate financing, mentorship, and market transparency for the individuals. DeFi.org gas pedal program hopes to help the investigation, improvement, and neighborhood of open source programming and the Orbs project. DeFi.org will put cash into promising errands and advance them on the DeFi.org site and various spots. In this stage, the DeFi.org bunch has the astounding opportunity to work on projects that combine cutting-edge development and structure. Leveraging Polygon's abilities and Orb's establishment during this accentuation of the DeFi.org gas pedal program, new pursuits will utilize the 2 lira capacities of Polygon and the 3 lira structure of Orbs. Also, individuals in the DeFi.org gas pedal round ought to include Polygon in their endeavors. Additionally, uncommon need will be given to individuals who exploit Orb's 3 lira establishment. In the accompanying surge of decentralized finance improvement, the cutting edge will be applications for DeFi that impact Ethereum security, Polygon scaling, and Orb's Layer 3 limits. An expansive advancement stack is open to the Polygon Association. For Ethereum to create, Polygon gives the versatility it expects, while Orbs familiarizes new ways with build-up splendid arrangements. While this is legitimate for EVM-based E1s and E2s, Orbs give a particular improvement layer to the third level. Concerning computerized monetary standards, market capitalization serves more as an indication of the coin's piece or prevalence, interestingly, with the rest of the market close by its overall reputation with the overall crypto neighborhood monetary sponsor. Various cryptographic cash intermediaries view market capitalization as a basic marker to be viewed as proceeding going with trading decisions. Not entirely set in stone by expanding unquestionably the quantity of coins that are correct now accessible for use, flowing stockpile, by the continuous expense of Polygon, which, as presently referred to, before long remaining parts at 0.6479. Yesterday, on May 20, the market capitalization of Polygon stayed at $5,238,025,662. Last week, on May 14, the total amount of capital focused on Polygon was spread out at $5,307,160,558. The data from a month earlier, enrolled on April 21, shows that Polygon had a market capitalization of $11,069,940,038. As its name suggests, most outrageous stock implies the rooftop proportion of coins that will anytime be mined or printed inside the contrasting blockchain network. Whenever that total is gained, the structure stops the period of new coins for good. The most outrageous stock is regularly displayed in the source code of the key show, as well as the white paper. The initiation towards the most outrageous store ordinarily starts with the plan of the initially starting block on the blockchain. For our situation, Polygon has a most outrageous stock of 10,000,000,000,000 coins. This particular part of a particular coin can be considered as a help against development because the destined issuance rate got together with the store rooftop much of the time conveys the coin deflationary once the most outrageous stock is reached and makes a pre-changed efficiency of a given asset, which makes the conditions for a seriously obvious and predictable expense appreciation. Total supply centers to the amount of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or for the most part made, and are either streaming accessible or gotten in planners or on the other hand holders' cold wallets. The full-scale supply moreover considers any coins that have been seared, put inaccessible for general use, to keep a strong extension rate. It will in general be appeared differently in relation to the amount of uncommon segments of an association that is public on the monetary trade. The hard and fast inventory of Polygon at present stands at 10,000,000,000,000 MATIC. Over the past 24 hours, the trading volume related with the Polygon market amounted to $352,022,223. Yesterday, on May 20th, the ordinary volume toward the finish of the trading getting added together to $562.06 when 567. A week earlier, on May 14th, the power of Polygon trading all through the gathering came to $920,420,257. What is Polygon, MATIC? Polygon, ahead of time MATIC network, is the principal by and large around coordinated easy-to-include stage for Ethereum scaling and establishment headway. Its middle part is Polygon SDK, a specific versatile framework that supports developing various kinds of purposes. To concentrate on this endeavor, check out our significant dive of Polygon MATIC. Using Polygon, one can make confident rollup chains, zk rollup chains, stay single chains or another kind of infra anticipated by the fashioner. Polygon truly changes Ethereum into a certain multi-chain system, otherwise called Internet of Blockchains. This multi-tie structure is like various ones, for instance, Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, etc. with the potential gains of Ethereum security, dynamic natural framework and straightforwardness. The $MATIC token will continue to exist and will accept an irrefutably huge part, getting the structure and engaging organization. Polygon, already MATIC network, is a layer 2 scaling game plan maintained by Binance and Coinbase. The endeavor attempts to enliven mass gathering of cryptographic types of cash by settling the issues of flexibility on various blockchains. Polygon solidifies the plasma framework and the proof-of-stake blockchain designing. The plasma structure used by Polygon as proposed by the individual advocate of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, considers the straightforward execution of flexible and free splendid arrangements. Nothing will change for the ongoing natural framework in light of the plasma pose chain. With Polygon, new